I used mineral spirits here, but I think WD-40 would have done the trick as well. But it all needs a lot of good old-fashioned elbow grease to cut through all of it. Maybe not the best setup, but I think certainly not the worst. Let's give it a whirl. Maybe one day I'll restore this wire wheel, but for now it's doing the trick, even though it's kind of a rigged way to do it. And I'm glad I had it because this probably saved like an hour, maybe 2 hours of scrubbing it with a wire brush, which I can't even find because I got this thing instead. So why find the wire brush? There's that for the wire wheel. Now I'm going to try to address making it, clean this off a little better with some stones, try to get it to cut better. I think it's important here to not take off too much material because you want it to still be able to cut. If you remove too much material, it's going to have a big old gap and it won't shear effectively. Well, thanks for making it through to the end of the video. But if you didn't make it this far, you made me really sad. And Valentine's Day is soon. And people shouldn't be sad on Valentine's Day. They really shouldn't. Next time I'll be finishing this jewelry box. Hopefully.